brand equity?
Brand equity is a valuable asset for any company. In simple terms, it's the value of a brand. This value is determined by consumer perception and experiences with the brand.
What is brand equity?
Brand equity is the premium value that a company generates from a product with a recognizable name, compared to a generic equivalent. It's built through positive consumer experiences, strong brand associations, and consistent brand messaging. It encompasses things like brand awareness, brand loyalty, perceived quality, and brand associations.
Key components of brand equity.
Brand awareness. How familiar consumers are with your brand. Brand loyalty. How likely customers are to repeatedly purchase your products or services. Perceived quality. Consumers' perception of the quality of your products or services. Brand associations. The thoughts, feelings, and images that consumers associate with your brand.
Examples.
Apple. Apple has very strong brand equity. Consumers are often willing to pay a premium price for Apple products due to the brand's reputation for innovation, design, and quality. Apple has very high brand loyalty. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has built a powerful brand over decades. Its brand equity comes from its long history, consistent marketing, and strong emotional connections with consumers. The brand is known worldwide and has very strong brand recognition. Nike. Nike has built very strong brand equity through association with high-level athletes and very strong marketing campaigns. Consumers associate Nike with high-quality athletic wear.
Why brand equity matters.
Increased customer loyalty. Strong brand equity leads to loyal customers who are more likely to make repeat purchases. Premium pricing. Brands with high equity can often charge higher prices than their competitors. Competitive advantage. Brand equity differentiates a company from its competitors and creates a sustainable competitive advantage. Easier brand extensions. Strong brand equity makes it easier to launch new products or enter new markets.